Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And this is my 5th video in my 30-day challenge. The 30-day challenge is where you do a video and a blog post every day for 30 days on a specific topic. And this topic is on affiliate marketing. And this is my 5th video and my 5th blog post. And it is on affiliate marketing digital products. So we're going to dive deeper into digital products and affiliate marketing. So let's go watch that video and then I'll be back. Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com, and this is video 5 in my training series on affiliate marketing. And in this video, we're going to take a little deeper look into digital products. So we have digital products, and then the different networks are clickbank.com, jbzoo.com, warriorplus.com, and these are the 3 main ones. There are other networks out there, but these are the ones we're going to focus on. So anyway, they all have their own rules about joining and applying and promoting different products. So clickbank.com, you will have to apply to join the program, but you don't have to apply to promote the individual product. So you have to apply to join the program, but you don't have to apply to promote the individual product. So those are the easier ones when you're first starting out to use is ClickBank, but there's advantages and disadvantages to all of them. So anyway, JBZoo and Warrior Plus are pretty much the same. You will have to apply to join the networks, but it's really not hard to apply to join them. But and you will have to apply with the individual vendors. There's individual vendors in each platform, and you will have to apply and ask them for permission to promote their offer. So sometimes when you're starting out, that's kind of hard to do because you don't have any stats. And later on, I'm going to show you what I did to get my status. But right now, we're just going to focus on this. So anyway, in JBZoo and Warrior Plus, it's pretty much the same. You'll have to apply to join the program, but it's not hard to do. And you will have to apply with the individual vendors to promote the product. Okay, and that's the basics behind that part of it. So we'll move on into the next slide. Okay, now we're going to focus on what these networks mainly focus on. Now that doesn't mean that they don't focus on other aspects, but you're going to get a basic idea of where they mainly focus their product energy at, is what I'm going to call it. Anyway, we know we have digital products. Okay, we know we got clickbank.com. We know we got jbzoo.com. And we know we got warriorplus.com. And clickbank.com mainly focuses on software and training programs. There's more variety of niches, for example, dog training, fashion, woodworking, and so on. So ClickBank has more variety of different kinds of niches. And it also focuses on training and software programs. And the commissions are usually pretty good on ClickBank. I didn't write that down. But anyway, JBZoo, it mainly focuses on software like graphics programs, social media programs, video marketing programs, stuff like that. Okay, and Warrior Plus mainly focuses on training products, courses, and stuff like that, like what I'm doing here, an affiliate marketing training. So anyway, if I can get this thing right on here. So anyway, I had to run out of room on this little demonstration I'm doing. So anyway, digital products, we got ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus. ClickBank mainly focuses on software and training programs. There's more variety of niches. Examples are dog training, fashion, woodworking, and so on. They got a lot more variety. JVZoo mainly focuses on software programs like graphic design, social media programs, video marketing programs, stuff like that. And Warrior Plus mainly focuses on training programs, very similar to what I'm doing right now. So anyway, those are the kind of the basic differences between the programs. I'm not going to say there isn't exceptions to the rules. I'm not going to say you're not going to find a dog training program in Warrior Plus, and I'm not going to say you're not going to find a training program in JVZoo or vice versa. I'm not going to say that. But anyway, you kind of got to break down where they focus their energy. And anyway, that's it for this slide. Okay, in this slide, we're going to focus on the digital products, different networks, and how they do their commission structure. And I don't know of anybody that's ever taught this in this way. I'm not saying no one ever has. I've just never heard it. And this is just something that I noticed. It's more of a personal thing. And I wanted to pass it on to you because I don't know if anybody else is teaching this. So anyway, we have digital products. We have clickbank.com. We have jvzoo.com. We have warriorplus.com. There are other networks. We're just focusing on these three. But anyway, clickbank.com has high commissions on the front end. That means the initial sale. And they has a lot of high ticket offers. Not a lot of upsells after the initial sale, which is the front end. It's hard to offer bonuses. And the products have a wide range on the front end. That means you might sell something for $10 or you might sell something for $1,000. That's a wide range. You have a wide range on the front end for the initial product. So let's see if I can get this. This is awful close here. Okay. Well, move that in there because otherwise I won't. Well, anyway, JVZoo, they focus on higher commissions on the front end and have a lot of upsells. The products range from $35 to $65, $67 on the front end, and you get 50% of that. So you get a little bit bigger commissions on the front end from JVZoo. Actually, I make the most money from JVZoo. So anyway, that's JVZoo. Higher commissions on the front end, a lot of upsells. Product range from $35 to $67 on the front end, and you'll get 50% of that. So anyway, if you make a sale, that is. Okay. Warrior Plus has a lower commissions on the front end, a lot of upsells. The products range from $12 to $17 on the front end. What I mean by lower commissions is their products on the front end are lower. You see they're $12 to $17, $35 to $65. Half of $12 is $6. Half of $35 is what? You do the math, you know? Half of $67, do the math. Half of $17, do the math. They do have some higher ticket offers on there. I'm not going to say that. But their theory is they give them a lower price on the front end, and then the upsells, they sell them at a higher price. They just want to get them in the door, okay? So that's why they offer a lower front end. So that's basically how that works. And the one thing about Warrior Plus is you might get an offer where there's quite a few of them where you get 100% on the front end. So you might get that whole $12 on the front end. So I want to say that about Warrior Plus. I didn't put the percentages of the commissions on here. I should have, but I didn't. So that's how the commission structures basically work for these three networks. If I can get this on here. So anyway, higher commissions on the front end, high ticket offers, not a lot of upsells, hard to do bonuses. Products have a wide range on the front end, higher commissions on the front end, a lot of upsells. Products range from $35 to $67 on the front end. You get 50% of that. Lower commissions on the front end, a lot of upsells. Products range from $12 to $17 on the front end, and you could get 100% to 50% on the front end. So that's the basic structure of how these three networks work that I've noticed. So anyway, that's it for this video. Now we're going to move on into the next training video. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, that was my 5th video on affiliate marketing, and that was on digital products. Now, as you can see, the videos are getting longer, and they will get longer and longer and longer because we're going to get more advanced. So if you found that was interesting, you can check out the blog post down below this video. You can also watch some of my other related videos. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you tomorrow.